23-year-old commuter Jimmy Yang is a regular on the New York City subways, and now he wants the MTA to make drastic changes to the century-old system.
I am a concerned citizen, and I wanted to figure out what I could do to at least get a conversation started.
After 40-year-old Michelle Go was pushed to her death at Times Square, Yang started a petition calling for platform screen doors, permanent barriers between the platform and the tracks to prevent people from jumping, falling, or being pushed onto them. So far, his petition has over 2,500 signatures.
And hopefully put pressure on the city government to consider testing out screen doors at least some of the stations that receive more traffic.
The air train to JFK installed platform screen doors years ago, and stations around the world have them too, from Bangkok to Tokyo, Hong Kong to London. But they may not work in the New York City subways. That's what came out of a news conference held 3 days after Michelle Go died.
But there's some special complexities in New York because of the age of our system, because of the location of structure, because it does interfere with ADA accessibility, because of the way the subway system ventilates. All those things are real issues. That said, we're always looking for ways that we can make the system safer.
Urban planning expert Yona Freemark says the MTA shouldn't slam the door on the idea.
So realistically, it might make sense for New York to just say, well, there are certain stations where we have the capacity to add doors and certain stations where we don't.
An MTA spokesperson says the agency is working to protect the nearly 640 million riders who take the subways each year. It just created a track intrusion task force to detect and prevent violent incidents so that what happened to Michelle Go will never happen again. In Manhattan, Dana Matura, CJS News.